Today, we will be learning how to add detailed, actionable notes directly onto your sitemaps using the Automeasure platform. Upon signing in and accessing the platform, this will be your screen. First, select the property you want to add notes to. In this case, we'll select this one and wait for the property to load. This feature allows you to document conditions directly on your map, enhancing your operations, planning, and client presentations. We will guide you on how to annotate your sitemaps with notes that can include text, images, or even videos. When you land on this page, you will notice an option on the right side that says Show Notes. Click on this. Here, you will find an option to create a new note. Upon clicking on this, you can input your note. For instance, cracks need filling. Next, you will need to select the category for this note. In this case, it would be the damage category. This platform supports rich text formatting, allowing you to bold text, italicize, number it, add bullet points, and even add an image or a video to provide more context for the person you are sharing the note with. You can also adjust the access settings, ensuring that the note is shared with specific users or only with you. After you've made your adjustments, click on Save. You'll notice that your first note has been added. If you wish to create another note, simply click on Create a new note again. For example, if you want to note that a tree is infected or the grass needs inspection, you can simply input Weed Issue. Select the category, for instance, Tree Infected and Grass Needs Inspection. Once this is done, you can also highlight the relevant part for the crew to see. Simply highlight the text, ensuring it gets the necessary attention. This can then be shared with specific people only. In case there's a need to tag someone, perhaps a team member, that can also be done. For instance, if there's a need to tag a specific person who will be working on this project, simply tag them. Once all the necessary details have been filled, save the information. This information has now been added. In case there's a need to add a reply for additional context, that can also be done. After adding the reply, save the information. This way, not only can more context be added, but replies can be added to the comment as well. Once the note is resolved, click on the check mark to confirm. By clicking on the three dots next to the note, several options are presented, including viewing the note, editing it, adding a reply, or deleting it. So we can see that you can now add notes to be placed at exact site coordinates to address specific issues. With geotags, there's no need to point something out on the site. The note is enough. Plus, with the ability to tag team members directly in notes for specific instructions or updates, everyone can be kept on the same page. This helps assign and track tasks efficiently with geotagged notes and generate detailed work reports for site audits. To export all these notes in an Excel file, simply click on Export here. You have the option to choose the type of notes you want to filter and export. For instance, if you want to ensure that only a certain type of notes are exported, you can select Weed Issue. Consequently, only one of the notes will be exported. You also have the option to select specific users. It's important to note that when you select a user while exporting, only notes added by the user get exported. Once you've made your selections, you can click on Send to Email. An Excel report will be generated, and you will receive an email with a link to download the exported file. Additionally, if you want to share the sitemap with your prospects or your ops team, you can easily do so. Click on Export, and you will see the option for a shareable link. Once you click on this, the link will be copied. On the shareable link, you will see that the notes are present. Once the property is loaded, you can see that the note, for example, the cracks need filling, is there. That's it. Thank you for using the Attentive's Automeasure platform.